My name is Joyce Rodríguez, and I will be explaining to you fear as a persuasive technique. So, the persuasive technique is a message that seeks to change the belief of the reader. When we talk especially about fear, according to the author Simpson, fear is a commonly used as a marketing method that attempts to change behavior by creating anxiety in those who are receiving the message. The objective of this technique is to guide the audience to reduce the risk on different occasions. People may decide to ignore the threat or convince themselves that the threat is real. So fear as a persuasive technique tries that people understand that if they ignore the message, they can have negative consequences. And it is mostly used in health initiatives, such as anti-smoking and drunk driving campaigns. So now I'm going to be showing you some of the examples that I found of this technique. So, the first example was found on Facebook, and this advertisement teaches the importance of not driving drunk. It emphasized that drunk driving is a crime and you can be arrested. In addition, they tell us that we must think about the consequences of driving drunk, which it could be a car accident, and in this way, fear is shown in this advertisement. And the second example was also found in Facebook, and this one talks about the main causes of lung cancer. The main cause of lung cancer is tobacco smoking, and this advertisement seeks to call smokers to understand all the negative consequences of smoking and what can cause it. So through the lung cancer, they try to scare those who smoke and convince themselves to not smoke anymore. And finally, these are my references, and thank you for your attention. I hope that you have learned with me. Thank you.